What type of real estate investing am I doing in 2024? As interest rates continue to go up and everybody on the internet, YouTube, are talking about interest rates up, interest rates down, oh my gosh, what is the Fed doing? Guys, who cares what the Fed is doing? For all time and eternity, creative finance has been dominating for the last 200 years. People that understand this strategy are pissed off at me because I've made it mainstream. And then people that have been doing it for 50 years like, oh my gosh, this guy's creating competition. No, I'm not. I'm creating collaboration. There's more subject to transactions done right now than have ever been done in the history of real estate. In fact, last year, our SubTo community did $5 billion in transactions only in subject to. We also do seller finance, we do lease options, we do wraps, we do Morby methods, we do novation agreements, and all sorts of other creative strategies like executory contracts. But when we're talking about subject to, there's nobody that does more than the SubTo community. My name is Pace Morby, and I'm the founder of SubTo.com and the SubTo community. What I did in 2020 is I launched the community so that I could do more deals with more people. I could go out and individually make every single call and negotiate on every single seller, all this work, or what I could do is go a completely different route and say, I'm gonna go and teach 15,000 people how to do this in all 50 states. In 2023, I bought $100 million of SubTo deals from my SubTo community. Collaboration is really what this business is all about. I would say that real estate is the only industry that you can collaborate with so many people. There's wholesalers that can get paid an assignment fee, there's bird dogs, there's private money lenders, there's transaction coordinators, agents, there's buyers, there's all sorts of everybody in between, like the contractors. It is the most collaborative sport of all time. So the more people that know how to do it, the more sellers are helped. In fact, look, I've got a deal right now. I just got in my DMs of all places. Leslie Quilico just sent me a DM and said, Pace, I'm in a tricky situation. She's got a farm in Colorado and she's saying, hey, I'm open to creative finance, but I don't have anybody calling in offering on my property. Everything is underneath our mortgage balance in terms of offer. Guys, welcome to 2024. This is what's happening. It was happening in 2023 as interest rates continue to go up. And what's going to happen is in 2025, we will still have 7 to 8% interest rates at the very bare minimum. It kills every deal. Guess what is dead in 2024? The BRRRR strategy is dead, and it has been dead, honestly, for the last couple of years. I don't even spell the BRRRR strategy with 4 R's. I spell it with 3 R's because this repeat R completely gets annihilated in 2024 with high interest rates. What I would be doing to go get subject to deals in 2024 is I would be focusing on a handful of lists. First way to do it is be in the SubTo community. Why not just buy deals from the other SubTo community members and do JV deals, whether you're the buyer or you're the assignor and you're the wholesaler, it does not matter. Why not join a community of people that are doing these deals and already locking them up? A second place to get them is go to investorlift.com. Go in the description down below. I have a link to InvestorLift. My students are listing their properties subject to on InvestorLift. Number 3, go to the Creative Finance Facebook group. I have a Facebook group that has 150,000 people that I give free YouTube content to so that they can go out and do just enough work to go and bring those deals to my SubTo community so they can finish off the deals. These 3 places you can go right now and have people that already have existing contracts. You don't have to learn negotiations. You don't have to learn the paperwork because my students have already done that. So why not just go into these places? Right here, this is free. Right here, you can go there right now and see SubTo contracts that you can go and gobble up right now. You have to make a determination of really what do you want? Do you want to lock up contracts and wholesale them? If that's the case, I would go and focus on these lists. I would focus on expired listings. We use a company called Vulcan 7. I actually have an expired listing training. I'll put that in the description down below. Another one is low equity. We get our low equity list from PropStream. I'll give you guys a link to the PropStream low equity training down below as well. How many expired listings pop up in the market every day? 15,000. So there are 15,000 new expired listings that pop up every single day because of the 2024 crisis. When people say,
nobody's selling their house,
we have an inventory problem.
I'm sorry, we do not have an inventory problem. If we had an inventory problem, there would be no expired listings. How are there 15,000 expired listings every day? We have an affordability problem. The reason why people can't afford houses is because interest rates are so high in 2024 and they will not go down until probably 2026 or 2027. The only strategy you should be focusing on is subject to and seller finance. That's it. This house that I live in right now in Montana, I did a deal breakdown of how I bought this property for $3.7 million with only $1 down, no credit check, no bank involved, and I gave the seller what they want and I got what I wanted. That is creative finance in 2024. Welcome to the collaboration business. This is all about teaching other people how to do this so we can do more deals together and save more sellers in the process. Unfortunately, a lot of agents don't understand real estate, even traditional real estate. Otherwise, they wouldn't have taken these listings in the first place. If there's 15,000 expired listings happening every day, what is an expired listing? It's an agent that tried to sell a house for over 6 months but failed. If the agent understood real estate, they would have told the seller, hey, seller, this price you want to get, you're out of your mind. I'm not going to list the property at that price. But unfortunately, that means 15,000 agents 6 months ago took a listing they should not have taken. And guess what happened? 6 months later, they all got fired. That happened the next day and the next day and the next day. 15,000 expired listings pop up every single day. Subject to and seller finance transactions are the only thing that you should be focusing on. And honestly, even if interest rates are low, why would you go through a bank? Why would you go do these deals? You could go to Crexy.com, you could go to landwatch.com, you go to privy.com, and you can go find owner finance and subject to deals listed right now. You do not need to go through an agent. You do not need to go through and get a bank loan and get big chunks of money and get good credit. Subject to is the strategy for 2024. So if you guys want to see a full subject to breakdown, I've got a video right here. It's the most watched subject to video on the internet. I hope you enjoy it. And whatever questions you guys have, please leave it in the description down below. And if you're one of my SubTo community members, thank you guys so much for selling $100 million in real estate to me, because collaboration is the game. My goal is to get everybody on the creative finance mission so that we can do more deals together. There's no such thing as competition, only collaboration.